The role of tectonic plates in our separation. How Atlantis was broken apart. Black Atlanteans. The truth about our separation runs deeper than slavery, colonialism, or migration. It goes back to the very foundation of the earth itself. The land we once ruled as one was physically broken apart, shattered by forces that reshaped the world. The movement of tectonic plates, one of the most powerful forces on this planet, played a direct role in our separation. But was it natural, or was it triggered? How tectonic plates split us apart. 1. The destruction of Atlantis. Atlantis was not just an island. It was a massive landmass, a center of energy and knowledge that connected our people across the world. When Atlantis fell, the earth shifted. Massive earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and tsunamis wiped out entire regions. The plates beneath the ocean floor cracked, forcing the land apart. The result? A once unified empire was torn into pieces. 2. The drifting continents. After Atlantis was submerged, the continents began to move. The land we once ruled as a single force slowly separated. Africa and South America were once connected, explaining why ancient civilizations in both places share identical architecture, language patterns, and spiritual practices. The Caribbean islands were once part of a larger landmass that broke apart, scattering our people across the Atlantic. North America and the lands beyond were once within reach, explaining the presence of black civilizations long before recorded history. Over thousands of years, these plates continued to shift, ensuring that what was once one became many. The divide wasn't just physical, it was spiritual, mental, and intentional. 3. Was this just a natural disaster? They tell us this was just geology, just science. But was it? Or was it a reset? The destruction of Atlantis was more than just an environmental event. It was an attack. The forces that sought to destroy us knew that by breaking the land, they could break our unity, and by keeping us from realizing this, they could keep us asleep. How to reverse the separation. The land may have moved, but our energy is still connected. The earth has memory. The ley lines, the energy grids, the vibrations, they all remain. We are still one, despite the physical separation. 1. Reconnect through energy. Meditate, align, and raise your frequency to tap back into the ancient power grid that still exists beneath us. Understand the power of the sun, the earth, and the universe in restoring what was lost. 2. Rebuild our global connections. We must reconnect across borders, through trade, technology, and knowledge sharing, just as our ancestors once did. Travel, study our lost civilizations, and rebuild the bridges they tried to destroy. 3. Awaken to the truth. The tectonic plates moved, but they did not erase us. The energy of Atlantis lives in us, waiting to be remembered. Black Atlanteans, the time for separation is over. The land may have been broken apart, but we never were. And now, we rise again. BlackAtlanteans.com